Hi, I'm Liz with Liz Toth Properties, powered by EXP Realty. I'm a residential real estate agent in Raleigh, North Carolina. And we are in the month of September, so we're getting closer to fall. It's time for cooler temperatures, pumpkin spice lattes if you're into that. And I don't know if you knew this, but September is actually National Mortgage Professionals Month. So, in honor of that, I'm interviewing my preferred lender, Michael Lassiter with CMG Home Loans. We're going to be covering a lot of different topics this month, so be sure to stay tuned to my YouTube channel. We'll be releasing videos each week. And we'll cover a variety of topics, some of which include lenders, the difference between lenders versus brokers, the benefits of getting pre-approved, and what does that mean, and then different financing options to name a few. So be sure to check in each week to see what topics are being covered, but check out this week's video, and I hope you enjoy it. Well, thank you, Michael, for taking the time to meet with me today and do this lender interview. Because this is our first video that we're doing, why don't you tell everybody a little bit about yourself and your experience in the mortgage business and your company?
Awesome. Awesome. Well, thanks for having me, Liz. So again, my name is Michael Lassiter. I'm area sales manager for North Carolina for CMG Home Loans. My team and I have been in the business for about 27 years, lending. We're a national lender, so we lend nationwide, but primarily been in Raleigh-Durham area lending for about 27 years now. We have a team of four, including myself. So.
Very nice. And the four are just for local here in
Yep,
this market?
they're just for support on the team, like loan partners, operations, etc. So
That's awesome. Well, good. Well, why don't you tell us a little bit about, like, I have a lot of clients that I work with are like first time buyers, things like that, folks like that, that are wondering, like, what is the difference between a mortgage broker and a mortgage lender?
yeah, for sure. So basically, a mortgage broker is they're licensed as well. We're all licensed mortgage professionals, but a broker basically sends they package the loan and broker it out or send it out to wholesale companies. So here at CMG, we have a wholesale division as well. And basically, the main difference there is you're using when a broker sends out a loan package, they're relying on a third party's operations. Okay. CMG offers a wholesale operation as well, so other brokers can send deals to us, but they're relying on CMG's operations team, so it's not there. So that's the main difference versus a true retail lender, which is what we are. The main difference being is we have total control in-house, meaning that my operations staff is with us here at CMG, and we kind of control the lending process. And what that helps with is on-time closings for the most part.
Okay. And so that benefits a buyer because of on-time closings and any other benefits to a buyer working with a lender versus a broker.
I mean, it's more of a service level and control. We have over 980 products in-house here at CMG, which is basically the equivalent of what a broker would have access to as well. So we pretty much have the same programs in-house that a broker would have typically access to as well.
Okay. And then one question that I always get from buyers is, do you guys service the loan or do you sell the loan? A lot of people will ask me about that as well.
Yeah, good question. So, and it's one we get all the time. So all loans are actually sold, okay, for the most part, and they're sold as to either Fannie Mae or Freddie Mac or Ginnie Mae. Those are basically the three investors: Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac, and Ginnie Mae. Basically, they set the guidelines for all lenders, whether it's a broker or a retail lender. But we retain servicing rights here at CMG. So we have like a $1.4 billion servicing portfolio. So, but the actual loan is sold as a mortgage-backed security to Fannie Mae or Freddie Mac or Ginnie Mae if it's a government loan like USDA or VA. But all loans are sold unless it's a portfolio loan, which basically means you're a commercial bank. We do some portfolio lending as well. All that means is we're not securitizing it through the investor. We're actually holding it on our books. But good question.
All right. Well, thank you so much for answering that question. So, Michael and I are doing interviews all week long. Be sure to check out my YouTube channel. We'll be introducing videos each week covering a different topic. So today's was a difference between a mortgage broker and a lender. Next week, we'll be covering different financing options. So be sure to stay tuned. Thank you, Michael, for taking the time today. If you are, and thank you for watching. If you are interested in connecting with Michael, be sure to check out the verbiage below the video. It'll have all of his contact information. And if you're thinking about buying or selling in the Raleigh area, check out my YouTube channel, Welcome to Raleigh. There's more videos, city tours, community tours, and more information on the real estate market. Thank you for taking the time to watch today. And thank you again, Michael, for being a part of this.
Thank you, Liz.